I'm going to show you here in this version of Dash is the practice session. Practice is not unique to Dash and it's been around in the BravoZone for quite some time. What is new is the new participant preview. Let me launch this and show you. I'm going to start the practice session. I'm going to mute the sound. That's just for demonstration here. When you get to this page, you get to join participants. Another term for this is simulated participants. So I can automatically add 10 players. And if you go up here, go to show all participants, you'll see our simulated participants. What is new is the participant view. This is going to show you what a user is going to see on their smart device. And that's it. So the session will now play simulated participants as well as what you're seeing live here on a simulated smart device. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us.